AI is not your biggest problem, guys. Your execution is. Everybody's shouting, AI is going to replace you. But let me be real with you. AI can't replace someone who executes with focus and consistency. It can only expose who was never doing the work in the first place. If you're honest, how many AI plans have you generated this month and then ignored? If that's you, don't feel ashamed, feel called up. Save this because we're about to fix it. Did you know most entrepreneurs don't have a motivation problem at all? They have a follow through problem. You get excited about a new AI tool, a new idea, a new offer. You take notes, you screenshot, you tell yourself, I'm going to use this. And then life happens. Kids, work, distractions. Motivation is the spark, execution is the engine. And right now, your engine is stalling out. If this is hitting you, share it with a friend who needs the reminder. This idea may lose me followers, but I'm saying it anyway. You don't need another AI course. You need discipline with the tools you already have. Some of y'all are hiding your inconsistency behind research. You say, I'm still learning, but really you're avoiding doing. AI is powerful, but it's not magic. It can't drag you across the finish line. It can only clear the path. If that stung a little, save this and let it work on you. Listen up, everyone. If you thought AI was the shortcut that would finally make business easy, you were sold a half-truth. AI can absolutely save you time, money, and energy, but only if you already know what you're trying to build. Most people are asking AI for cute content instead of clear direction. That's why you stay overwhelmed. The problem is not that AI doesn't work. The problem is you haven't decided what you are committed to. Don't scroll, sit with that. Fam, let's define this thing. When I say execution, I'm not talking about being busy all day. I mean, you decide your priorities, you schedule them, and you actually do them imperfectly, consistently. Execution is when your calendar, your actions, and your goals actually match. AI can help you design that system in minutes, but it cannot force you to show up. That part is on you. If that gives you some clarity, save this so you can revisit it tonight. AI will replace you if you keep doing this, using it as entertainment instead of as a business partner. If you're spending more time asking AI for funny prompts, aesthetic captions, or random ideas than you are asking it for systems and workflows, you're playing. Tools like ChatGPT should be building your SOPs, your email sequences, your sales scripts, things that make money, not just cute posts. Shift how you use it and you shift your income. Share this with a creator who needs that nudge.